Hey, it's Magnus Schroeder here from SwedishEmbedded.com, and I'm a passionate embedded engineer. I'm very passionate about firmware development, hardware development, and also direct response marketing, which is why I'm putting together an event on the topic of LinkedIn marketing. And this is for you if you are a business owner, you're trying to build out your customer base through LinkedIn. You want to get better on LinkedIn ads. You want to, really flesh out your marketing process. And also, even if you are looking for work on LinkedIn or freelancing work on LinkedIn. So this is going to be useful for you as well in that case. And we're going to be covering 3 different secrets. The event is on Wednesday, the 10th at 19:00 Central European Time. I'm going to share a link below in the comment section. And basically, one of the things we're going to be covering is the whole process from the initial contact to the sale here. If you do this process as a single sales call, like you can literally cram this process into a single sales call, which is basically what cold callers do when you call a business as a cold call, and you can actually go through the whole process at once. So when I was doing door-to-door sales, I would basically go through the whole process in one go. But when it comes to more complex sales, it does take time, and especially on a social media platform, it does take time in between those steps. So it's not just a single block of time, it's actually split up into multiple different steps. And you want to understand how those steps fit together in order to measure the whole process all the way, and in order to be able to improve it. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to look at how you can find customers on LinkedIn through the search function. We're going to look at how people find you through the search function. We're going to look at your content strategy. I'm going to give you a simple template for creating content that sells, that generates results, that gets people to the next step. I'm going to show you also how to do direct messaging on LinkedIn so that you can get results. And then we're going to look at what to do next after you have made the initial contact with the potential customer. Then you need to get them into a presentation where you spend time with them, and you basically present this, how you present not your product so much, but more the strategy behind your product. And that is a prerequisite for selling any kind of product. You want to get the person to understand how the product fits into whatever it is that they are doing. And you do that by selling them on the strategy first. And then once they accept the strategy and they understand how the product fits into what they're doing, then it's easy for them to accept the product as well. Then after that, we're going to look at how you get the person into the next step, where you have a one-on-one conversation with the person, and how you structure this one-on-one conversation so that it then leads to the sale. And we don't stop there, but we also go all the way back here, and we go back to the starting point, and we iterate and improve. So there is a feedback loop all the way here, and there's a feedback loop from every stage of this process, so that you can measure it and iterate and improve. And once you have this process working, then you can automate this process completely without having to have any human interaction here. But you don't start there. You start very simple. You start with human interaction, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And during the challenge that we're going to be doing starting on the 29th of March, we're actually going to be doing this live together. So I'm going to be helping you flesh out your offer, and I'm going to be pushing you to market your offer and market your business. And I'm going to be pushing you past the point of being uncomfortable. So it's going to be a very useful challenge. If you really want to get this down, and if you really want to get to the next level in your business, then I'm going to be talking about that challenge more during this event. So click the link below in the comments, and click when you click on the link, you're going to have a button to attend the event. It's actually a link to LinkedIn. So click that button, and then you will be added to the list of attendees for the event. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.